Okay, naka-video na ako. Naka-video nga ako. At hello guys. Welcome back to my video. Alam nyo naman na real ako at may sasabihin ako sa inyo guys. Ang saya-saya neto. Ay, download nyo tong game na to. Ito. Search nyo sa Ito, Horror Hub Mods for Minecraft. Hindi to fake. Hindi to peke. Press naman. At yeah.
I'm gonna download the Pure.
Didn't install my Pure. At guys, ang saya ng Pure. Ang saya-saya. Meron rin Verity dito. Pero hindi naman nag-attack. Ayun lang yung sad sa Verity. Ayun lang yung ayaw namin sa Verity. Hindi siya nag-attack. Pero at least na-download. Ads na naman. At guys, then inano ko yung Pure dito at kailangan niya ng wifi dito guys. Pero mag-ads. Pwede rin kahit anong Minecraft guys. At yeah, eto. Verity. Tapos may iba pa. Kung ayaw nyo maniwala, tignan nyo to. Ayan. Kita nyo na guys. Totoo. Uy!
Kalbo!
Na. At try natin. Guys, sorry for that. Yung friend ko, I have a friend, Freaky. Freaky friend, bro.
Freaky above.
Bro. And now, Pure Horror. Inactivate ko lahat at na-error yung...
Shut up.
Inactivate ko lahat dito. Yung mga na-download ko at inactivate ko lahat. At alam nyo na nangyari? Nag-error ang Minecraft ko. Nag-error yung Minecraft ko guys. At, ayun lang. Dindownload ko ulit yung Minecraft ko. Diba kay sir? Nag-error. Try mo, may pencil case na naman. First thing ever, bro. Okay, now, creative mode. Okay, kay sir. Create time. Pure horror. Guys, kung ayaw nyo maniwala, totoo talaga to guys. Download nyo na. Free lang to. Walang bayad. At walang ads. Joke lang, meron.
May ads. Pero walang bayad.
Oo nga. Ayun yung gusto ko, walang bayad. At totoo pa yung mga mods. Oh my God!
And are you ready mga PPL?
Bro,
PPL, people. Oh, people, dalawang P, tapos L. O, tapos L yung ano.
oh. Now, look guys, look. Time this here, and here. Look. Ito yung dark figure. Ito, spawn breaker. Ito yung villager terror guys. And ito yung real villager versus the villager terror. Never. Yo.
Oh my God.
Yo. He's gonna attack the iron golem. Bro, shut up. I'm recording.
I'm a chicken.
Oh my God, yung dark, yung villager terror. Hello, Cowme. Cow versus
Yo! It's social.
the cowman.
Look.
But,
Let's go! I got empty world! Let's go! Napunta ko sa world mo! Paldo!
uy, you big, boss.
Big
Boss
boss?
fight. Boss fight.
Oh my God!
Yo! Dude! Yo, boss fight, big. Big boss. Yo!
I got into your server.
Ha?
I got into your server.
Bro, what? No way.
I joined into your server.
Yo,
Bro,
bro.
what?
That's your server, dude.
No, it's bro. Meron kanina doon na server nakita ko na naman.
No. The pig, bro. Pig. Boss. I hit him. Oh my god, yung pig boss, ang ganda.
Ito nga.
Yung
Ito.
dark figure. Ito
Yes.
yung in-spawn ko eh. Ito yung nagpatay sa
Tapos
akin.
ito, maglaban sila.
Maglalaban ba sila?
Oh, something.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Horror mods. Totoo. Di ko to sinare sa YouTube, guys. Diba kay sir? To, Cowman! Cowman, yes! Nanap ko na rin yung Cowman! Yay! Lalo na yung chicken. Bro, ang sakit ng damage. Bro, nag-ads. No. Hindi may turn off ads. Kasi, di. Turn off ko wifi ko kasi nakapunta na ako sa game na naka-wifi tapos yung power mod. Kaya pwede na to. And yun na, bro. Guys, go back in Minecraft. Oh my god, pig mimic. Ito yung ano, normal pig. Yung normal pig at ito yung pig boss. Ito yung ano, pig mimic. Tapos ito yung pig boss. Ano yung mas malakas? Ito. Di ba? Imagine Nuts joined me and banned me. No. God, their villager. Ito ayun yung inaano ko sa'yo.
Pinapatay ni si Black Figure.
Hindi.
Oo.
Nagawa nga lang sila. Naglilibot sila.
Ha?
Yo.
Oo, tatawagan.
They're all teleporting everywhere. No way, bro. Saya na ito, di ba kayo, sir? Saya. At guys, download it now. This. At pag na-download nyo, happy na kayo, guys. Happy na talaga kayo. At mag-subscribe na rin kayo kasi totoo to at magiging happy pa kayo. Tapos walang subscribe sa akin. No, why? Ako na nga nagbigay eh. Para makuha yung rin mo, di. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys. Pati sa friend ko. Call chicken. R. Oh my god. Nah, stop breaking blocks, bro. Oh, he died. Yo.
Let me pick the boss fight.
Eh sir, pag naubos yung time sa boss fight, ano? Wala na. Maglilib na tayo.
Boss?
Gaganto siya. Oh. Lilipad siya. Spawn breaker. Ayan. Ito naman. Ayan. Pero pag nag-transform na hey, let me try survival mode.
Now you're gonna die instant. Okay.
Wait.
2. Okay, 1.
Oh, yun na. Oh, yeah,
Go to the water!
They're all chasing me. Yo! Yo! I need a pro.
Aha, the villagers can go to the water. Oh my god, that's the breaker. Yun yung breaker. one ng putang
Bro. That's entirely scary, bro. Nah, that's so cool. That's so cool. Bro, cool. Protocol. No! No! Stop shooting. Stop shooting. Yeah. Yeah. Yo, please, no, bro. Please. Yo. The chicken tuck. It became tall. Guys, I'll spawn the red figure, guys. Literally, I'm gonna spawn it. It's here. Hi! You sucker. Do the blood, bro. This is scarier than Verity. Time to run. Suckers! Hello, suckers! What you gonna do, sucker? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Staring contest, bro? Dude, yo, shield, bro, the villager, shield, bro, shield, do the blood, shield. Oh hell no! Where did you come from? Do the blood, bro? Where did you come from? You like Speaker Man. You look like. Ah! Ay!
Bro, that's not creepy.
But this is creepy.
Sponsor, sige, spawn mo.
Ha?
Spawn mo. Tapos takbo ka.
Yun sa mga ito yung dark, ayun yung dark figure. Ayun yung mga
Baka
ano.
nasa likod mo, no?
Yep, it's behind me, bro.
Saan siya?
Dying. Haha, loser. Haha, loser.
He's trapped. You're gonna die, he's gonna grab you.
What you gonna do?
Lumapit ka.
Na, yung mga
Hindi,
ano.
tignan mo lang kung mag-start ka.
Villager. Bula ko. Haha, sucker, dude. Sucker.
Do the blood.
Sucker, do the blood. Try and save me. Bruh. The ads save me.
I'm gonna delete some,
Files.
yes.
Imagine you delete some data.
Oh my god.
Bro. You're making that videos.
Again!
Dude.
No, that's not my files.
That's your files.
Bro, that's not my files. That's Chrome files.
Oh.
Bro, every week I'm getting those dirty files, bro.
Ouch. The spider hit me. Imagine mo, meron palang Spider-Man. na file. Yo, that's cool.
What is a horror spider?
No! Please do not kill me. Ito yung Villager's Terror, oh. Please do not kill me, please.